Morning Braille class and welcome back for our maths lesson today. Make sure that you have a pencil and a piece of paper ready with you. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to practice our missing number sentence. So we know whole take away a part equals part. So let's have a look quickly at our question. It says 18 take away something equals 10. So draw your number track all the way to 20 and see if you can work out what our missing part is. So think carefully about what you know. You know it's a takeaway, so you know the number's getting smaller, and you know that we've got a whole of 18 and a part of 10. See if you can work it out in our number track. Pause me now whilst you do that. Okay, hope you pause me. So let's have a look. So we've got our whole of 18. So I'm going to circle 18. I don't know this part, but I do know that I landed on 10. When I took away, whatever number I took away, I landed on 10. So I'm going to circle 10. How am I going to find out our missing number? Can you tell me? Good, that's right. I'm going to jump back and count my jumps to see how many I took away from 18 to give me 10. So you ready to count with me? Remember not to count until we've jumped back. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 18 take away 8 equals 10. Give it a tick or fix it. Okay, let's have a look at this one. So now I've got some 10s in here and some 1s in here. Can you write down what number I'm representing? Pause me now. Okay, hopefully you pause me. So let's have a look. Let's count. We're going to put 10s here and 1s to help us, or to help me. So I'm going to count my 1s first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got 8 1s. Let's see how many 10s I've got. 1, 2, 3. 3 10s. What's 3 10s the same as? Can you tell me? Good, 30, 10, 20, 30. So I've got 30 and 8 1s, 38. 3 10s and 8 1s makes 38. Okay, so our objective today is, can I find one more? And muted me, the computer, how cheeky. Let's try that again. Can I find one more than and one less than a number? Good, and I know we did a little bit of this yesterday, so we're going to carry on with it. So let's just know, what does this symbol in the middle here mean? Let's just highlight it. What does this symbol mean here? Can you tell me? Good. Is there another word for it? Fantastic, means equal or the same as. So 1 10 is the same as 10 1s. They're the same, okay? Let's practice again. 1 10 is the same as 10 1s. Good, now put that in your head because we're going to need that bit of information in a minute. So let's have a look. So when we are finding one more, it's like we are adding 1, okay? So here, what number have I represented here? So ignore that one up there. Let's see. So in my circle, I'm just going to circle it for you. What number have I represented there? Can you tell me? Pause me if you need a bit longer. Fantastic. I have got 1 10 and 9 1s. So I know I have got the number 19. So let's work out one more than 19 is, let's find out. Let's rub this out. So can you see I've got one more up here? What do you think is going to happen when I add one more? Can you tell me? Let's see if you're right. And to add one more to my 9 ones. Let's see how many ones I've got now. Count with me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you remember what we said on the slide before? 10 ones is the same as 1 10. So I can swap these. Look, I can swap my 10 ones for a 10. What number have I made there? 10, 20. One more than 19 is 20. I'm sure you could write it a little bit neater than me. It's a bit tricky writing on this. Okay, let's have a look. Let's work out what number have I made there. Can you work it out? Tell me. I've got, let's see if you're right. I've got 2 10s. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. 29. Good. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Let's work out what one more than 29 is. Got my one up here, you ready? What have I made here? I've made 2 rows of 5. What have I made? I've made 10. What can I swap my 10 for? 1 10. I can swap my 10 ones for 1 10. Watch. They're the same. So what number have I made now? What number have I made? 3 10s is 30. Well done. 10, count with me. We're counting in our 10s because they're 10. 10, 20, 30. Good. 3 10s and 0 1s, 30. One more than 29 is 30. Fantastic, you're doing such a good job. Let's have a look at this one now. See if you can work out what number I've made. You're getting quick at this. I have got 3 10s and you're right, I have got 9 ones. So 3 10s and 9 ones is 39. Good. 10, 20, 30, and then 9, 39. I am going to add one more because I'm finding out what one more is. What have I made here? That's right, I've made 10 ones. 10 ones is the same as 1 10. Good, so let's swap it. We know they're the same. So let's rub out my number because I've got a new number now. So one more than 39 is 40. Well done. 10, 20, 30, 40. 40, 4 10s and 0 1s. One more than 39 is 40. So good, I'm going to send you a sparkle. You're doing such a good job. Let's have a look. What number have I represented there? You're right, I've got 4 10s. And again, I have got 9 1s. 4 10s and 9 1s is 49. Good. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 9, 49. So let's work out what one more than 49 is. I'm going to change our number. How many ones have I got now? 10 ones. 10 ones is the same as 1 10. So what do I have to do? You're right, I have to swap it for a 10. One more than 49 is 50, you're right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. One more than 49 is 50. I've got my 5 tens and 0 ones, 50. Good. Okay, now it gets a little bit trickier. So we were finding what one more is, and now we're going to find out what one less is. So one less, it is like we're subtracting, taking away 1, not 110, just 1 cube. So what number have I got here? Can you tell me? Let's see if you're right. Well, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens and 0 ones. 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Good. Remember, when I'm counting my tens, I need to count in 10. Okay. So 1 less than 50 is, so what I could do is take away one of these cubes, okay? I'm going to show you. Do you remember that trick we said at the start? We said 110 is the same as 10 ones. Good, so if it's the same, I can swap it like that for 10 ones. And what I can do is take away one of them. Okay, let's see what number I have got now. 1 less than 50 is, I've got 10, 20, 30, 40. So I've got my 4 tens. Let's just switch this around, make it a bit easier. Make sure we're writing it correctly because our tens comes first. We've got 4 tens. How many ones have we got here? Should we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good, you guessed it. 1 less than 50 is 49. Good, 4 tens and 9 ones. Okay, let me just drag this one over here. Not wanting to work today, are they? Okay, let's have a look. So we are finding 1 less. It's like we're taking away 1. So I could cross 1 out and count them. But I know my little trick that 10 ones is the same as 110. 110 is the same as 10 ones. So let's swap this 110 for 10 ones to make it easier. So I've got my number 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, and I am going to take away 1. So let's take away one of these. There we go. Let's work out what number we have got now. So I've got 10, 20, 30. So 3 tens. How many ones have I got? Should we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 tens and 9 ones is 39. 1 less than 40 is 39. Good. Okay, let's have a look. So what number have I got there? Can you tell me? 30, 10, 20, 30. So let's work out what 1 less than 30 is, so I can cross off 1. How many ones have I got there? 9, good. So I've got my 2 tens and 9 ones. Let's have a look if you're right. 2 tens and 9 ones. 1 less than 30 is 29. Well done. Sure, you can write your 9 a little bit neater than me. There we go. Okay, let's have a look. What number have I got here? 20, well done. Let's work out what 1 less than 20 is. So I've got still my 10. How many ones have I got here? You're right, I have got my 9 ones. In fact, I'm going to cross it off over here. So I've got 1 10 and my 9 ones. 1 10 and 9 ones is 19. Well done. So 1 less than 20 is 19, because we're going 1 less. 1 10, 9 ones, 19. Okay, so your turn now. So what I want you to do is see if you can work these out, okay? So read them very carefully, because some of them say more and some of them say less. You have to say more or less. You have to read them, see if you can work these out. So pause me now, use the method like we did, and see if you can work these out. See if you can draw your 10s and 1s and cross off those ones, or add 1 more and make a 10. Okay, if you're up for a challenge, what you can do is we're going to have a go at this challenge. So it says use different colours to show each number on the grid. So 1 less than 17, 1 more than 39. So you can get an adult or somebody to draw this grid for you, see if you can work out what 1 less than 17 is and the rest of them and colour it in. Or you can write down A and write down the answers. That might be a little bit easier for you, but use my grid. Okay, so see if you can do those two now, and don't forget to post all of your work to Tapestry. Bye, everyone.